Darwin's. See how this baby works. As you guys see, I have put together the Darwin grip on my Echo edger, and so far I'm pretty pleased with it. I have had a one full edging routine that I've taken it through. I've made some adjustments, and I have to say it's super easy to use. Once you kind of lock it in, there's really no major changes that you need to make on it. It does take a little bit of getting used to. You are standing a lot more upright, and so trying to get that set up is just a little bit different. So if I were to give it a grade, I would give it a B+, A- right now, only because I haven't used it a whole bunch. But I will tell you that the fatigue of bending over with the stick edger is a pain, and so this definitely helps with that. So definitely going to continue to use it. It's definitely a new tool in my arsenal. I'm probably not going to add one to my edger. I have a straight edger for doing the sidewalks. I don't have as much of that to do, so I think at this point I'll stick with this one, just on the string trimmer. So A+, and if you guys get a chance to get your hand on one, definitely recommend it. So there it is in all of its glory. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.